This 2022 Tiffin Phaeton 40IH is a diesel pusher RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Courvelle's RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Tiffin is 41 feet 4 inches in length and features a Artists Taupe III interior, sleeps 6, Skylight, self-contained, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, smoke detector, water heater, LP detector, TV, DVD player, stove-top burner, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this diesel pusher features bath and a half, couples coach, front entertainment, front living area, outdoor entertainment. This 2022 Tiffin Phaeton 40IH is built on a FreightlinerXC-Series chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.